Hello children, today we will learn remaining part of worksheet number 2 of lesson How Many Times from Maths Rehearse book. Open page number 59. Question number 5 is solve the following multiplication stories. Children, before solving these sums, a bunch has 6 bananas and here are 2 such a bunches. How many bananas are here in all? Children, these are the 2 bunches of banana and each bunch having 6 bananas. We write this as 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Adding the same number over and over again is known as repeated addition. By using multiplication, we write 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Children, remember one thing. We use multiplication when each group has the same number. See, our first sum is Deepu had 2 packets of candies. Each packet had 5 candies. How many candies did he have in all? To find out the answer, first write down the statement. Number of packets of candies is equal to 2. Number of candies in each packet is equal to 5. And we have to find out total number of candies Deepu had how much. To find out the answer, we have to do multiplication. That is 2 multiplied by 5. We get answer as 10. Therefore, total number of candies Deepu had equal to 10. So here, fill the blank space with answer 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. Next sum is Sana used 3 stickers to make 1 card. She made 3 such cards. How many stickers had she used? First, write down the statement from sum. Number of stickers used to make card is equal to 3 and number of cards made by Sana is equal to 3. Here we have to find out total number of stickers used how much. Here to find out the answer we have to do multiplication. That is 3 multiplied by 3. Children, start counting table of 3 up to 3. That is 3 3s are 9. Therefore, total number of stickers used is equal to 9. So here, fill the blank space with answer 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. Remaining 2 sums are homework for you. Question number 6 is write T for true or F for false. First is 7 groups of 2 is 14. Children, to make the sum easy, first we will draw a picture of given statement. This is the picture of 7 group of 2. And our statement is 7 groups of 2 is 14. Means given statement is true. So fill the blank space with. Next is 9 groups of 3 is 18. And this is the picture of 9 group of 3. Here we have to multiply 9 with 3. And we know 9 threes are, tell me student, very good, 27. And here is 18, means given statement is false. So write here F in blank space for second statement. Next is 2 groups of 5 is 15. And this is the picture of 2 groups of 5. Children, we know 2 5s are 10. And in this statement, here is 15. Means given statement is false. So write here F in blank space. Children, remaining sums are homework for you. Question number 7 is write the multiplication fact for each set of objects. In first picture, there are 2 groups having 6 laddus or sweets. So write here 2 multiplied by 6 sweets. In next picture, 3 fish tank with 3 fishes. So write here 3 multiplied by 3. In next picture, 4 groups having 3 balloons. So write here 4 multiplied by 3 balloons. In next picture, 5 groups having 2 starfish. So write here 5 multiplied by 2. Children, in next sum, here we have to find out the correct answer from the given option. First is 785 multiplied by 1. And we know if we multiplied any number with 1, we get answer as that number itself. So tick on this option. Next sum is 983 multiplied by 6. Children, first write down the sum vertically below each other according to ones and tens column. In this way, write down the sum. Now first step is multiply 6 with 3. Children, start counting table of 6 up to 3. 6 threes are 18. Write down 8 here and carry 1 in tens column. Next step is multiply number 6 with number 8. 6 8s are 48. And now add this 1 in 48. So it become 49. So write here 9 and carry 4 on hundreds column. Next step is 6 multiplied with 9. Start counting table of 6 up to 9. 6 nines are very good 54. And now add this carry 4 in 54. It becomes 58. Means 983 multiplied by 6, we get answer as 5898. So here tick the correct option as answer is 5898. Next sum is 671 multiplied by 10. In this way, write down the sum. Now in this sum, we have to multiply with 2-digit numbers. In this case, start doing multiplication from ones column. Means 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. Next step is 0 multiplied with 7. Answer as 0. Next step is 0 multiplied with 6. Answer as 0. Children, we know if we multiplied any number with 0, we get answer as 0. Now next step is multiply this one with this number. Children, in this case, first write down 0 in ones column and then start doing multiplication. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 7 is 7. And 1 into 6 is 6. Because we know if we multiplied any number with 1, we get product at that number itself. Now next step is add these two numbers for getting answer. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. And here 6, write down 6 here. Means if we multiplied 10 with number 671, we get answer as 6710. So here tick on the number 6710. In this way, we have finished worksheet number 2 of lesson number 9, that is how many times. Thank you.